Today we come together to truly celebrate one of the greatest things we can do as human beings, and that is to truly celebrate the gift of life and love. There is no easy way to describe love. It's not some definable thing. It really transcends so much. But when you gaze into each other's eyes, you can see beyond all of the weakness and know that together you can do anything.
I, Emmanuel, take you, Pamela, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
And at this time I would like to say, you may kiss the bride.
Sun comes over mountains and valleys, turn to gold, forests shed their winter and birds sing songs of hope, lovely. When you're right here beside me, love restoring on you. Spring awaken my soul. I can hear the earth sing out, rhythm of our hearts beat loud, part of something so wild, untamable, magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, wonderful.
Seeing the two of you together, I realized that life is beautiful. The two of you just exude joy and triumph and togetherness, that it just brings me joy and happiness to see the two of you so happy together. I know that the two of you are a team and that you're always going to stick by each other, just like you stick by me and Grant and everybody else you know. You're both wonderful people, and I know you're just going to make it. So here's to you.
I can hear the earth sing out, rhythm of my heart beat loud, part of something so wild, untamable, magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, wonderful. I can hear the earth sing out, rhythm of our hearts beat loud, part of something so wild, untamable, magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Oh, it's so beautiful, uncontainable, undeniable, wonderful. Oh, it's so beautiful, uncontainable, undeniable. I can hear the earth sing out, rhythm of my heart beat loud, part of something so wild, untamable, magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, wonderful. I can hear the earth sing out, rhythm of our hearts beat loud, part of something so wild, untamable, magic in the atmosphere, ringing out strong and clear, playing on, it's so wonderful, 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 wonderful.
Let this moment always be a time for you to remember that commitment forever.